Alright gamers, hey there. So I've been working on the TR7 seat brackets. I got the old ones over here. I'll put those back over there. I painted the new ones and I'm just currently putting the speed nuts and stuff back on them. What do I have on my... Okay. Anyways, so yeah, that's what I've been dealing with. So I've got these M5 speed nuts, which is like the original hardware that was used. So I got a M8 nut driver that I'm just gonna hammer those on with, because that's the way God intended. So I got one ready there. So that fits great. Let me do a rear one. And that'll hammer it a bit more even. Let's get it a bit more down. That should be fairly happy. We'll do two more. One each side. Originally came with two. So, where'd that go? Where'd that fall off to? Over here? Oh, that's some old one. I don't know. Here's a new one. So, that. Let's get that. Is that on? Yeah, that's on. So, that's two on that side. Let's do another on this side. And then you're going to flip it over. You're going to get this. Whoa. I'm going to actually flip it over that way. I'm going to get this here. Get it all nice and this all lined up. So that spring is gonna go like that. I think it's technically a spring, and it's gonna go just like that. It's gonna fight you, but the more you mess up learning how it works, the better it'll go in. So there you go, that's going in now with a bit of assistance for sure. Oh. There's my needle nose. There's my needle nose. Let's get that spring up before we break something more. There we go. And back to hammering. Why is it getting stuck? Oh, that's why it's getting stuck. It's on the... There you go. Yeah, if it's on the forks, it'll get stuck. So now, it should. There you go. Catches, locks, as God intended. She does need a bit more help on the spring though. Here we go. So that's all good there. Now we'll get four more speed nut, lock, nut, washer things. Is that where the other one went? That's where the other one went, I guess. And let's slam two on each side. So open it like that, y'all can see. And now you can watch me hammer these on and nice zoomed in. Get your M5 speed nut, get your M8 nut driver, get your hammer. One on the front, one on the back, doesn't matter what order. Goes on nice and easy, but not too easy, and I already messed up and forgot to do the springs, and I was kind of happy because then I remembered, you know what, let's do a video. So yeah, they do hold it on good. I can verify this is a good size. I don't know if it's the stock size, but it's a good size. It'll work. So that is a fully refurbished Triumph TR7 seat bracket. That's all happy now. Alright, have a great day everyone.